Let's say that we just discovered that we no longer need file2 in our project because it contains unused code. So to remove this file, we type rm file2.txt. Again, this is not a git command because it doesn't start with git. It's just a standard Unix command, okay? So let's go with this. Now we have a yellow indicator, which means our working directory is dirty. So let's run git status. We have one change that is not staged for commit. So we remove file2 from our working directory, but it still exists in the staging area. Let me prove it to you. So we type git ls-files. These are the files in our staging area. So file2 is still here, even though we removed it from our working directory. So as I told you before, every time we make changes, we have to stage those changes using the add command. So here we type git add file2.txt to stage this change or this deletion more accurately. Now let's run git ls-files one more time. So file2 is no longer in the staging area. Beautiful. Let's run git status. We have one change that is ready to be committed. And as you can see, it's indicated by green, which means it's in the staging area. So let's commit this change. And here we're going to say remove unused code. So to remove a file, we have to remove it from both our working directory as well as the staging area. Because this is a very common operation, Git gives us a command that does both of these steps in one go. Let me show you. So we type git rm. So instead of using the standard rm command in Unix, we use git rm. Here we list a file name, like file2.txt. We can also specify multiple files. We can also use patterns, like all text files. When we execute this command, Git removes this file from both the working directory as well as the staging area.